Welcome back. Now news from sports. India will begin a new era in youth football when the men in blue kick off their Under-22 A.F.C Championship against Lebanon on Saturday in Muscat. The team, led by JJ Lalpeklua, looks quite excited over the preparations under new coach Papas. Romeo Fernandez of Dempo Sports Club and Prathamesh Maulinkar of Pylon Arrows are two promising young talents from Goa who have found a place in the squad.
Australian football coach Arthur Papas took over as youth coach a few weeks back. Since then, the highly rated 32-year-old coach seems to have worked his magic over India's under-22 boys. After camps in Delhi and Dubai, the Indian squad is now in Oman and will face their first challenge on Saturday in the form of Lebanon. Iraq, UAE, Turkmenistan and Oman are also grouped with India. Head coach Arthur Papas has made some subtle but definitive changes to the youth setup. In an interview to the AIFF website, Papas said, and I quote, "There have been subtle changes in the overall playing philosophy over the course of 2 weeks. It is mostly based on developing a style which emphasizes on ideas when we stay in possession of the ball. The idea is to be patient and wait for the correct moment for the build-up or, for example, aim to penetrate from deep. There are so many variables in football, and it's been about guiding the decision-making process of the youth players by providing them with a structure to work from within. At the same time, we have had to find a balance with this style because you cannot expect to perfect the system in just over 2 weeks. I've had to take into consideration the current conditioning of the players. I've understood the instincts of the boys in the practice sessions and the practice matches. Talented forward and captain JJ, who many believe can become the new Baichung Bhutia, is impressed by Papas. JJ says, and I quote, "The benefits of the new style of play will reap fruits in the future. He has been stressing on possessional play and the build-up often starts from defense. It's not that we adjusted to the style on the first day itself, but we have been flexible and have settled down fast. He's sharp, energetic, caring and an intelligent person. He explains with passion and instills a sense of belief among the players. He's very clear in what his priorities are." Meanwhile, Goa's talented striker Romeo Fernandez, who has made a mark with his scoring prowess for Dempo Juniors, has this great chance to impress in the national colours. Strong defender Prathamesh Maulinkar will also be watched, as this opportunity can power the Goan into the senior national side. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.